Hello and good morning, dear students. So today is 6th of August and the chapter we are starting today is simple interest. Okay, sorry, the chapter we are starting is interest, and out here we will be learning two different types of interest. The first one is simple interest and the second one is compound interest. Okay, the first 2-3 exercise is based on simple interest and then we move to compound interest later. Okay, so we have also come through this formula before. Simple interest SI, okay, simple interest is SI, which is equals to, given by the formula, P into R into T divided by 100. We have also done in class 7, right? Simple interest, the formula is PRT by 100, where P is the principal, the sum, R is the rate of interest, which will be provided in the question, and T is the time given to us. Alright, so when we use this formula, then we get the interest. So whenever you are borrowing some money from other person, so while you give back, return that money, we have to give that money along with the interest. And how much interest I have to give? I have to calculate using this formula. Okay, the simple formula PRT by 100. Second one, amount. Amount means principal plus interest. Suppose I have bought some money from my friend and after 3 or 4 months I have to give him back. For example, if I have bought 5,000, then after 3 months it's not that I have to give only 5,000 but along with that interest, and suppose the interest is 500, so hence I have to give him the amount his principal 5,000 along with the interest 500. Okay, so hence remember the formula, simple interest and amount. So pause this video and note it down. Alright boys, so let's start with exercise 9A. Exercise 9A, the first question is, the question says find the interest and the amount. We need to find the interest and the amount. Find the interest and the amount on this principal, 750, rate 10% per annum. If it is per annum, then please find the time in terms of years. So annum means per year. Okay, time given to us is 3 years 4 months. So 3 years means 36 months plus 4, so it gives you 40 months. Say this is in terms of months, but we need to calculate in terms of year. We know that 1 month is equals to 1 by 12. So convert this in terms of years. So 4 tens are 4 threes are. So hence your time is 10 by 3 now. Okay. And now we need to calculate interest. So use the formula. Interest is equals to PRT divided by 100. So principal 750, rate 10, time is 10 by 3 and into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancel out. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15, 0. So therefore rupees 250 is the interest on rupees 750. And I also need to find the amount. Amount is P plus I. Now how much is P? 750. And how much is I? 250. So if we add it, you will be getting rupees 1000. Okay. So this is your interest and amount. Please note down, pause the video and note it down. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Again, we need to find the interest and the amount, where principal is 5,000, rate 8%, and time given to us out here is 23rd December 2011 to 29 July 2012. So which means we will have to calculate the days first now and then divide by 365, which will give in years. Okay, so we'll have to find the days. Okay, so December 2011, how many days? 23rd to 31. Starting from 23rd to 29 is the total time given to us. Okay, so December, how many days? 23, 8 days. You can calculate, subtract from 31. January 2012. By the way, 2012 is a leap year. January 2012, 31 days. Feb, I said it is leap year, so 29. Feb, Jan, Feb, March. Again 31, April, 30, May, 31, June, 30, and July up till 29. So these are the number of days. And now we need to calculate. Alright, so 219 is the total number of days, and 219, if you convert in year, see 1 day means 1 by 365 year, cancel it with 73. Always remember that when number of days is given, it will be in multiple of 73. Okay, 73 into 3 times 219, 73 into 5 times 365. So please note it down. So we got the value for PRT. Now it's easy for us to calculate the interest. Okay. All right. Let us calculate interest. So interest is given by P into R into T divided by 100. Okay. So P is the principal. R is 8. Time is 3. Time is 3 by 5. Okay. So 00 gets cancelled out. 5 ones are 5 tens are. 10 into 24 is 240, so interest is 240, and amount will be P plus I, no? So P is 5,000, so 5,000 plus 240 is 5,240. So please pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, let's move on to question number 1 part 3. The question says, find the interest and amount where principal is 2600, time is 2 years 3 months, so you can see 2 years 3 months means 27 months. And 27 months, how to convert in year? Just divide it by 12. Okay. Now the interesting thing out here is rate is given 1% per month. 1% per month. Okay, so per month is 1%. So per year it will be 12%. Isn't it simple? Are you clear with this? 1% per month. But we have to find per year, no? So 12% per year. So what to do? Put the values accordingly. We will easily get the interest. Okay? Well, alright boys. So when you put the values, P into R, okay, P into R into T divided by 100, 00 gone, 12 gone, 26 into 27 will be 702. And how to find the amount? So this is your interest. How to find the amount? P plus I, you add it, you'll be getting 3302. Okay, 3,302. So please pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, let's start with question number 1 part 4 now. In 1 part 4, again we have to find the same thing, interest and amount, where principal is 4,000, straightforward. Time is 1 whole number 1 by 3 year means 4 by 3 year. Convert it into improper fraction. 3 ones are plus 1, 4 by 3 years. Now again the interesting thing out here is the rate. 2 paisa per rupee per month. 2 paisa per rupee per month. So 2 paisa per rupee means, is it 2 by 100? 2 paisa per rupee. So per means divided. Rupee means 100, isn't it? So therefore rate is 2 paisa per rupee means how much? 100 paisa. Alright? Per month. Per month. So paisa gone. So 2 by 100. Is it 2% per month? Because 2 by 100 means 2% per month. So therefore per year it will be 24% per year. So in this way you have to calculate. So we got P, R, T. Now what will I do? I just put in the formula and find the interest. Alright, so put the values P, R, T divided by 100, 00 3 8s are, so 40 into 32 will be 1280. Please do the calculation boys properly. Amount is P plus I, so P is 4,000 plus this will be 5,280. So pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is Rohit borrowed 24,000. So Rohit borrowed this much. Assume that you are Rohit and you are borrowing 24,000 from your friend at the rate of 7.5 interest per year. Okay, and time for 4 years. Okay, so 4 years. After 4 years, you have to give this money to that person. Okay, so how much money do it have to give after 4 years? That's the question. So for that, see, suppose you are borrowing 24,000 from your friend. then after 4 years, obviously you have to give more than 24,000, isn't it? And that more, that thing is the interest. So formula is PRT by 100. Put the values accordingly, okay, and then cancel out 0, 0 gone, 00. 7.5 I've converted at 75 by 10, 0, 0, 0 gone. So 240 into 75 into 4, and if you multiply it, you'll be getting 7,200. So this is the extra thing that Rohit has to give. Okay, but as a whole, he has to give P plus I, which is the amount, P is the principal, this too he has to give, and plus 7,200 also he has to give. So as a total 31,200 Rohit must give to clear his debt. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, so this will be the last sum for today. Given question number 3, the interest on a certain sum of money is 1480. So interest is given out here. Time for 2 years. Rate of interest 10% per annum. We need to find the principal. We need to find P. Okay. Use the same formula. Interest equals to PRT by 100. Interest given to us 1480. Principal we don't know. Rate we know. Time we know. Okay. So what we can do out here is 0, 0 gets cancelled out. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10. So you cross multiply. 1480 into 5 is equals to principal. So 5 8s are 40, 0 4, 5 4s are 20, 24, 2 5 1s are 5 6 7, and 1 more 0. So this is going to be a principal, which is how much? 7,400. So principal will be rupees 7400, which is your answer as well. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright, your assignment for today will be question number 4, 5 and 6. I'll be giving you the link of question 4, 5 and 6. You can take the help from there. Otherwise, if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. And please complete all the sums of today's class and send this along with the assignment by tomorrow. Okay? Take care and thank you for this.